Toastmaster Sanjeev. Toastmaster Sanjeev, decode me if you can.
I will try. So my topic is decode me if you can. So have you ever wondered like how your personality affects your communication style? Click on this. You have okay. So everyone has their own communication style. So I also checked on Toastmasters website. So what my communication style is. When I took a short quiz, it revealed my communication style. The Toastmasters website. Whoever has the login ID and password, and they can check over there. So I will tell you what it revealed at the end of my speech. So let me tell you, there are like 4 kinds of communication style. The primary one, the direct, supportive, initiating, and the 4th one is analytical. In direct communication style, you speak like straight to the point. You have no emotions. You just say what you want, and sometimes don't listen to the other person. Second is supportive communication style. It is like more calm, more like friendly type, and it avoids conflicts and value harmony. Third one is initiative. It's like energetic, enthusiastic, and they thrive on relationships. And the 4th one is analytical. Like if I speak too much about data and give you like more detail, like some people you have seen like talk like too much on one topic. So these are 4 types. So till now you have understood the four kinds of the communication styles, because now here's a twist. Now I will tell you 3 short stories. At the end of the story, you need to tell me what you need to guess what you think like my communication style is. So just remember these 4 types, and once the speech is complete, I will ask you what do you think about it. So let's start with the first one. So so I have like, do everyone loves ice cream? Yes. I also do, but I also check the ingredients inside the ice cream, because if you have heard about the palm oil, most of the ice cream, because when I research about it, most of the ice cream contains the palm oil instead of milk solids or milk fat. But palm oil, what does palm oil do? It improves the texture, it saves the taste, and it preserves the taste. So sounds great, right? But no, palm oil contains 50% saturated fat. It's like LDL, the bad side of the carbohydrate. When you consume it in excess, you get heart disease. But only Amul is the company. If you take any variety of ice cream, you will find that they contain only milk solid, no palm oil. So here I took a snapshot from the Blinkit app, and here's the ingredient. It says milk solids. So that's great. Second one is Vodila. But if you purchase expensive ice cream, then it usually contains milk solids only. Here you can see, or I can tell you milk solids. Third one is Quality Walls. It starts with K. You can understand what quality it will give you. It contains palm oil. So Quality Walls. With palm oil we can make the ice cream feel like in a cheap. So ice cream will be cheap if it contains palm oil. Second is this Oreo. It also contains palm oil. Water, sugar, Oreo biscuit, wheat flour, sugar, and palm oil in that. Now, second story. Okay, first one is done. The second short story is about, it is more cooler than ice cream, because I have wrote 3 books and published it on Amazon. If you open the Amazon app and write like spoken English by Sanjeev, and Sanjeev is the author, you will find 3 books. And why I did that? Because I was curious, can I earn if I write books? So I completed each book in just 5 to 7 days. And what I'm earning? 500 rupees per month. It's like without contributing any effort now. So every month I get 500 rupees because it is published worldwide. So anyone reads on Prime, because these books are like Kindle edition limited, they have paid subscription, and when they read number of pages, like they read 5 pages, I get amount of 5 pages. Okay, second story is done. Third one is like philosophical thought. So it's serious, it's not funny. Third one is serious. So, okay. So third one is like, what I think is, like we are living in Jaipur for many years. But what comes to our mind that okay, join Toastmasters. What I believe is we do not control what we want to do. That spark comes into our mind, okay, let's join Toastmasters. You haven't joined the last year or the day before, but today only you think, okay, let's go to Toastmasters. Or one day you wake up in the morning, suddenly you have thought, okay, I will do a business in some metal industry or what. Whatever you do after that is your knowledge. But how that spark, that inspiration comes, that I believe universe talk to us. Now I told about all the 3 stories. Now I want to ask you, what do you think after hearing or listening all the 3 stories, my communication style is from direct, supportive, initiating, analytical? Any guess? Naman?
Direct and analytical both.
Okay.
Initiative and